Thank you for doing so. Please enjoy the show and subscribe.
It's heavy, but it ain't too bad, dude.
It's going good.
Yeah. So in this trailer test, we got, what do we got? The trailer itself weighs 37 pounds. The water in the very back, that weighs at 6.2 gallons at what, 8 pounds a piece, or whatever that is, 6 times 8, I'm not a math major.
56.
56 pounds of water in the way back. I've got 3 pairs of jeans, 7 t-shirts, 7 pairs of socks. We've got a swimsuit. What else do we got? Got some different equipment for recording videos. We have solar panels. Those are 4 pounds a piece. We're gonna have 2 of those. We've got a battery bank, but we're gonna be upgrading. The current battery bank is about 7 pounds. The one that we're gonna be looking at getting, it can charge a lot faster. I wanted to use the Jackery Explorer 300, but unfortunately the 300 it has a MPPT controller that caps the solar input. So of the 200 watts, it's capping us at 65 watts. So I don't actually know what the real true number is on a sunny day like today. So I have to upgrade the battery bank accordingly so I can get my real number and get the benefits from that as well. I'm working. This is a workout, no joke. I can feel it. But just having the Surly adapter on there makes a world of a difference versus like a kid carrier, because all of the weight is on the one side on a kid carrier, but this version, it's got the Surly Longbed. Oh man, all the weight's even on them back tires. So normally it like will pull everything that way, and it's so much so that you can't actually pull it. But the Surly Longbed is rated for 300 pounds of weight. I threw the trailer on the scale to get the tongue weight that's pushing down on my rear tire. Right now it was reading at about 44 pounds, so we're pretty much maxed out. You don't want to go more than 50 pounds on that rear wheel.
There you go.
How's everything looking back there? Everything staying stable? There you go. Did any of the stick-out panels wobble? No, that's good. So we used 2x2 by 8 pieces of wood, 64 inches long. We used 4mm coroplast paneling, and we used some RV tape. To seal up all of the corners. The very first trailer build that I did used EMT conduit, but with the roundness of the tubing, I found it difficult to secure anything to that, particularly the coroplast panels. So that's why we switched to the 2x2 wood with the coroplast. Did you want to stop at Holiday? first real kind of hill, I guess. So far, no issues. I don't actually know what gear it is. Let's see how low we can go in the granny gears. Holy cow, we are so low on them granny gears. This might be it. That's it, that's the bottom. This doesn't feel like I'm pulling anything. Oh my god, this is nice! What's that?
I almost went the wrong way.
Oh jeez,
I
yeah.
started to go down that way and I'm like, well, what the fuck?
I'm in my granny gear right now.
Huh?
I'm in the lowest gear on this bike.
Are you?
It feels like I'm pulling nothing. It's so light. You know, we got like 180 pounds back there. Trying to get my water for the first time.
You want a nudge here?
What?
I feel like I should put...
No, don't
idea.
push me.
Yeah, I got a serious idea. Possibly. But you could almost put some kind of ram. It wouldn't work either. You could almost put like a ram on the back of this and I could literally push you.
No.
If it fit in your box square or whatever.
Whew. This is hard. Okay. It's got a dock. That's not too bad. I'm gonna get him to honk. Oh man, we are still climbing on this hill. Troy loves to talk. He's back there talking to the guy we just passed with the dog. Trying to convince him to come with me. Think you take the e-bike? Because I can't go very fast. And that e-bike will go 100 miles on a charge. We got the solar panels, so if we needed to, we could in theory charge it. Whew, almost done. We could definitely shift up in here though. When we get to the top here, we shift. Hard to think about how wide I am.
You're good if you stay part of the road.
Alright, first upshift in a while.
What's that?
I said I just got the upshift. Finally. And it's shifting no problem under weight.
Now you're going.
I think I would like my seat a little higher. I'd like to be in that position rather than that. Thinking about getting the GoPro 360s. Because if I can get that, then you guys will be able to see in front of me and behind me at the same time. Which I think would be pretty cool.
That dude is recording it. Hold on, I don't want to pass you, but don't take it. Hey, what are you trying to do?
If I look back, it's hard.
Oh. The dude, when you were riding, the dude was filming while you were going by.
He what?
He was filming.
Oh, he was?
Yeah, he's like, check that out.
The guy with the dog was filming me?
No, guy driving by.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you pull something like this.
We
Okay.
found a deer stand on the way down back to the highway.
You got the kickstand.
I'm
Yeah.
like, that's the area we want to chill. 'Cause
Okay.
It's like, you can tell there's
Oh,
wildlife
the back
around,
door.
you know.
Right,
You
right.
get
That'd be
pretty
nice.
things and
Yep.
stuff like that, you know. What
the hell's in this one?
I can do that whenever. Get tired of that.
That's my stove. And I can set the stove right on top there.
So Matt, what did you do with the other trailer you built?
It's in the garage.
Oh, okay. You like this one better?
I like it because there's access points.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
We did it though. I mean, we had a grade of like not huge coming this way.
It's gonna
Yeah.
push you down.
That
You
was
gotta be
like
really
that.
careful downhill.
Put
It's
it
gonna
down
push
first
your ass
gear,
right down the
on the way
hill.
out.
It's try it. It's
It's
good.
strong.
I'm telling
The
you.
worst case is you could walk it up.
I have to upgrade the
Yeah,
brake
really bad.
pads, but other than that, it's good. Go down and come back.
Myself. Who's the kid? I'm like 135 pounds.
Dad's trying out the trailer.
49 years old. I can't help that. Like, why?
It's like 150 pounds right now. You can tell he's working, but he ain't working too hard on the lowest gear.
What the hell? It's 49.
Yeah.
It's a workout, but it's not that bad.
Which one of these do I open to find the air?
That might be the one that you're missing. Maybe out of all the things.
You do need mirrors though, because you need to know where your edges are.
No, I know. I need mirrors. I know. I don't like my handlebars. I want them higher. So I might get one that has like, you know, like a motorcycle where it comes up and it goes like that. So I might get that. I got everything I need though.
Oh, really? Where did that just...
In there, everything.
$100.
That doesn't include food either, like the cans of pasta. And
Yeah. Just get out like what is it? Ones and 10.
keep in mind though, like that's fully loaded, give or take a few pounds. But basically, because it's got 6 gallons of water, so that's a ton of pounds right there.
Yeah.
I can dumb that down when I know, like, hey, go ahead.
Well, it's gonna be your rain delay box for sure. But I don't know if you want to sleep in it all the time if you're camping. If it's not raining, it's cool.
Hi, Todd.
Put a blanket and pillow and sleep out next to it. He fits good. It fits good.
I'm coming out. Okay.
Is there room for a pillow?
Yeah, of course.
Well, your dad's bigger than you.
I'm inchworming.
6'3", 6'4". What are you? 6'2"? What? Oh my gosh! Look at this trailer move.
That's a part of.
Okay, let's go home.
What's his name? Timmy's gonna grill a little bit.
Who is?
Burgers. I don't know. Maybe put some later.
You good?